Bukhara, a UNESCO World Heritage City in Uzbekistan, is famous for its well preserved Islamic architecture, ancient bazaars, and rich history. Known as a key stop on the Silk Road, it attracts travelers from all over the world. Choosing the right hotel can make your stay even more memorable. Here are the top 10 hotels in Bukhara that combine comfort, convenience, and authentic Uzbek hospitality. The first one is Komal Boutique Hotel. Housed in a 19th century home, Komal Boutique Hotel offers traditionally decorated rooms with carved wooden ceilings and antique furnishings. Guests enjoy a hearty Uzbek breakfast served in a beautiful courtyard. The hotel is centrally located, making it easy to explore historic sites on foot. The warm and attentive staff add a personal touch to every stay. The second one is the Hotel Malika Bukhara. Hotel Malika Bukhara is a charming property that blends traditional architecture with modern facilities. Rooms are spacious, air conditioned, and equipped with all essential amenities. Guests can relax in the hotel's courtyard or enjoy a meal at the in-house restaurant. Its location near the city's main attraction make sightseeing convenient. The third one is Amulet Hotel. Set in a former madrasa from the 19th century, Amulet Hotel offers a unique cultural experience. The rooms are decorated with handmade textiles and traditional designs, while still offering modern comforts. Breakfast is served in a cozy setting featuring fresh local ingredients. It's a perfect for travelers who want an authentic stay in Bukhara. The fourth one is Kevsar Boutique Hotel. Kevsar Boutique Hotel is known for its friendly atmosphere and beautiful courtyard surrounded by greenery. The rooms are stylish yet cozy, offering modern amenities along with a touch of Uzbek charm. Guests enjoy delicious homemade breakfast and personalized service. The location is close to Bukhara's historic site and markets. The fifth one is Asia Bukhara Hotel. Asia Bukhara Hotel offers comfortable rooms with a blend of modern design and traditional accents. Guests have access to a restaurant, bar, and seasonal outdoor pool. The hotel is located near the Layabi House complex, making it ideal for evening strolls. Its professional service and spacious rooms make it a favorite among tourists. The next one is Minzipa Boutique Hotel. Minzipa Boutique Hotel features elegant interiors with colorful traditional fabrics and wooden furnitures. The rooms are clean, well lit, and equipped with modern facilities. Guests love the quiet courtyard where breakfast is served. The hotel's intimate setting and helpful staff create a homely feel. The next one is Sasha and Son Hotel. Once a Jewish merchant's house, Sasha and Son Hotel has been carefully restored to preserve its historical charm. Each room has unique hand-painted wall and traditional decor. Guests enjoy the peaceful garden and close proximity to major landmarks. The staff is known for their excellent hospitality. The next one is Umar Hayam Hotel. Umar Hayam Hotel offers a mix of comfort and convenience in the heart of Bukhara. The rooms are modern and well equipped, and the hotel features a restaurant serving both local and international cuisine. Guests appreciate its central location and clean, well maintained facilities. The second last is Hotel Fatima. Hotel Fatima is a cozy family run property located close to Layavi housed area. Rooms are simple yet comfortable, and the staff is attentive and welcoming. Guests enjoy a daily breakfast with fresh local products. Its central location is perfect for exploring Bukhara's old town. The last one is Boutique Hotel Old Bukhara. This boutique hotel offers a traditional Uzbek atmosphere with modern comforts. The rooms are tastefully decorated and open onto a courtyard filled with flowers. Guests love the relaxed vibe and delicious breakfast. The location is ideal for visiting historical attractions on foot. Bukhara offers a variety of hotels from restored historical buildings to modern boutique stays. Whether you prefer luxury, cultural charm, or a budget-friendly options, these top 10 picks ensure a comfortable and memorable visit to this ancient Silk Road city.